Hello fellow doll lovers, Barbie Nation here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into another video with me today. My name is Aryan, aka Barbie Nation, and what I do is I collect dolls, I play with dolls, I talk about dolls, and every now and then I give them a super cute makeover. So if you're into anything cute, sweet, and petite, definitely subscribe to my channel to get some lovely pastel glitters on your feed. Now let's get into today's video. Here we go. Here we have Jasmine, which was a gift from Tina. Thank you so much, girl. And you mentioned she needed some TLC because of her disintegrating rubber band situation. So that is exactly what we're going to do today. And this is not just any disintegrating rubber band, by the way. This is like heavy disintegration here in the hair. We are working with Kanekalon hair, which is not my favorite to work on, but it's gonna make it a little harder because I don't want to break the hair, and Kanekalon easily breaks, in my opinion. So this Jasmine actually traveled along with Tropical Miko from 1985, and she is in great condition. Her hair is beautiful. It's saran, and this is going to be a walk in the park to, you know, glam up this hair because it is an easy wash, you know, condition, boil, wash, dip, and go, and you're pretty much done with this hair. It needs no combing at all. It is perfect. So let's get this salon moment started. Let's fill up the tank and let's get Jasmine ready for her rubber band disintegrating savior process. So now that that's successfully done, let's continue on with the hair once again. So my only option here was to heat it up and try again. So let's wet the hair in some warm water. So I already prepared this little bath for her. And I decided to, you know, degrease it a little bit with some dishwasher soap, which usually contains a lot of chemicals to degrease, you know, your dishwashing. So gave that a go here and tried to let that work its magic, but as you will see, it didn't do much. So what I did was I tried to grab like really small strands of hair And in some cases, I was actually able to get at least a piece off of the hair while it was heated up. So it wasn't completely wasted. It was partially successful. So here I decided to give her her first like real good shampoo, and in the hopes of, loosen it up a little bit more and further, because I wanted to stay away from combing the hair for, hair loss and such, because when you start combing this wet Kanekalon hair, you'll shed like crazy. Or not you, but the doll will shed like crazy. But I'm afraid there's not a whole lot of other options here but to comb this out. So I was partially successful, like I said, and here you can see that it really did kind of work, but it was conditioner time. I was over it, and I was way too impatient to do it all like that. So I decided, let's just go at it with a huge bunch and a very big amount of conditioner, and let's start combing this out. I was willing to take the hair loss with it, and because you just cannot prevent that hair loss that comes with it when you comb wet Kanekalon hair. And as you can see, you can really see that it starts to come loose pretty easily while combing. But still, it's like wax, so some pieces you really gotta press out because it's so waxy. Yeah, I just don't know how else to explain it but like that. And here you can see, yeah, God bless the Kanekalon hair, but it is so shady. After this, I gave her another conditioner treatment, and I have to say, I think it went pretty well by doing the aggressive combing technique. Yes, she lost a bit of hair, but I was willing to take it. She was like freshly deboxed, so she could take it. If she were like already pre-loved and already pre-played with, that might have made a difference, because usually then they've already shed some while the kids were, brushing the hair. But this time, this hair was just untouched, unbrushed for sure. So here we go with Miko. This is going to be, like I said, a walk in the park. So we're just going to give her a nice little shampoo, give her that good old Barbie Nation treatment. Next step, conditioner. Use a lot because it just smells nice. It feels nice. Give her that, slick comb through. Get those final knots out. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is my favorite part. Dip, dip, dip. I used Miko first because Kanekalon cannot really stand super hot boiling water. Yes, sparkle moment. Oh, the satisfaction. So I did let it cool off a bit before I did Jasmine, because you don't want it to be like actual boiling water with Kanekalon. At least that's my experience, that you just do not want that. Oh, that felt nice. Yes. So it's time to start combing her hair, get those final pieces out, and get her signature Jasmine hairstyle back. So now I'm actually really glad that I left the headband on, and because it really shows where you have to divide the hair for her front piece. And I actually did it a little differently. So what I did was I braided the two front pieces and then put them backwards. So yeah, I don't know why actually I did this. Maybe because, yeah, I know why. I hate flyaways, and Kanekalon loves to give you flyaways. And for some reason, when you braid the hair, it's preventing it a little bit. So that's why I did it. And you can already see that signature Jasmine hair come back. And of course, I had to Barbination-fy. No, that's not a word. Give it a Barbination touch. Yeah, that's better. So of course did her poofy ponytail moment here, and had to finish it with some cute ribbons, and she will be good to go. It just makes it way cuter. I love it. She's all fresh, all clean, and all ribboned up, ready to join my collection. Now, of course, we also had Miko, and look at combing wet saran hair is just, who else also finds this really satisfying to do? Yeah, I could do that for hours. But okay, I wanted to restore her island hair, so meaning giving her kind of like a twist braid to the side, as you can see here. And to kind of like give a wink to her, you know, tropical self, I used a yellow ribbon for a finishing touch on that twist braid here. And just look how shiny that hair looks. That really is what saran hair does. That's why I'm such a fan of saran hair. Yeah. So I think we're ready with these girls. So let's give them their own cute little lookbook. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course, click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified about any new videos that I upload. You can also follow me on Instagram at Barbie Nation. That's usually where I post all of my updates. So until the next video, mwah, big kisses from me, and I love you all.